In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Grammarly from Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy tutorial, and it's perfect if you want to disable the extension, clean up your browser, or stop Grammarly from running inside Chrome. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Click that extensions icon to open the extension menu. After the menu opens, you should see a list of your installed extensions, including Grammarly if it's currently active in your browser. Next to Grammarly, click the three vertical dots, also known as the More Actions menu. This will open a small drop-down with a few options for managing that extension. From the drop-down menu, choose Remove from Chrome. Chrome will usually ask you to confirm that you want to delete the extension. Click Remove again to confirm, and Grammarly will be removed from Google Chrome. Once that's done, Grammarly should no longer appear in your Chrome extensions list, and it will stop running in the browser. If you ever want to use it again later, you can always reinstall it from the Chrome Web Store. And that's it. You've successfully removed Grammarly from Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.